Sure. Here's a natural-sounding YouTube voiceover script for a 2025 BMW M2 review, tailored for your channel Car Reviewpedia. The tone is designed for engaging narration and viewer retention, with an informative and enthusiastic delivery, and it exceeds 500 words. Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Reviewpedia, the channel where you get real, honest takes on the latest cars that matter. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most exciting compact performance cars of the year, the 2025 BMW M2. Now, let's get one thing straight right from the beginning. The M2 has always been about pure driving enjoyment, and in 2025, it takes that formula and makes it sharper, meaner, and more refined than ever before. BMW didn't try to reinvent the wheel here, instead, they focused on evolution. And let me tell you, it works. The 2025 M2 carries over the aggressive, squared-off design introduced with the previous generation, but everything has been fine-tuned. The front end is more aerodynamic, the kidney grills are a bit more subtle compared to the larger M3 and M4, and the overall stance is muscular, planted, and full of purpose. This car looks like it wants to eat corners for breakfast. Under the hood, we've got the same S58 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-6 as before, but with a slight bump in tuning. We're now looking at 480 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. That's mated to either a slick 6-speed manual for the purists, yes, BMW is still giving us that option, or an 8-speed automatic that shifts like it reads your mind. 0 to 60. Just under 4 seconds. But stats don't tell the whole story here. What makes the 2025 M2 really special is the way it delivers power. It's immediate, it's smooth, and it makes you feel completely in control. Whether you're on the track, carving up a mountain road, or just commuting to work, this thing adapts and responds in a way that few cars in this price range can. Inside, BM's gone with a minimalist but high-tech approach. You get the curved iDrive 8.5 display that integrates both the instrument cluster and infotainment into one sleek unit. It's clean, it's fast, and it doesn't distract from the drive. Materials feel premium, the sports seats hug you in all the right places, and yes, there's still enough practicality to make it a decent daily driver. What's especially impressive is how composed the M2 feels, even when pushed hard. The suspension tuning strikes a near-perfect balance between track-ready stiffness and everyday comfort. The adaptive dampers do their job well, and the steering is precise, with just enough feedback to keep you dialed in. Of course, it's not perfect. The back seat is still tight, especially for adults. The exhaust note, while aggressive, could use a bit more rawness. It's a bit muted compared to older M cars. And, let's be honest, the starting price creeping toward $65,000 means this is no longer a budget performance car. But then again, what you're getting here is a legitimate M car experience, not some watered-down version. For enthusiasts who want a car that's engaging, rewarding, and capable on any road, the 2025 BMW M2 is a home run. It keeps the spirit of driving alive in an age where more and more cars are moving toward automation and numbness. It's mechanical, it's analog in all the right ways, and it absolutely puts a smile on your face every time you get behind the wheel. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more detailed car reviews every week, and drop a comment below. Would you go for the M2, or are you eyeing something else in the segment? Let us know what you think. Thanks for watching Car Reviewpedia, we'll see you in the next one.